Another tutorial, and this video I would like to share to you about user account on Windows Server. សួស្តីអ្នកនរគ្នាស្វាគមន៍ការវិលត្រឡប់មកកាន់ថ្មីមកកាន់នៅ channel YouTube របស់ខ្ញុំហើយនៅក្នុងវីដេអូនេះដែរខ្ញុំធ្វើការបង្ហាញអ្នកនរគ្នាទាក់ទងពីរបៀបក្នុងការយល់ដឹងទាក់ទងជាមួយនឹង user account នៅលើ Windows Server. Okay. Before I mention to the topic, please allow me to define definition of the user account. មុននឹងចាប់ផ្ដើមដល់ topic នេះដែរខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើការបើកបង្ហាញអ្នកនរគ្នាទាក់ទងថាអ្វីទៅគឺជានិយមន័យទាក់ទងជាមួយនឹង user account ហ្នឹង Okay. What is user account? User account is the object or key for login to computer for access and using application, operating system, permission and user right. And user account divided by two. Is the number one is the user account locally and number two is user account domain. តើតើជាមួយនឹង user account គឺជា object មានន័យថាគឺជា tool ឬក៏ជាប្រអប់ឬក៏ជារបស់អ្វីមួយណាឬក៏ជាសោសម្រាប់ឲ្យយើងធ្វើការ login ចូលទៅកាន់ computer ដើម្បីប្រើប្រាស់នៅ application ក៏ដូចជា operating system គឺមានន័យថាប្រព័ន្ធប្រតិបត្តិការរបស់ computer ដែលនៅក្នុងនោះវាបានផ្ដល់ជាមួយនឹងការកំណត់នៅ permission ការកំណត់នៅការអនុញ្ញាតដែលយើងមានសិទ្ធិត្រឹមណាហើយនឹងការប្រើប្រាស់នៅ account បាទ user right បាទហើយ user account ហ្នឹងគឺវាបានបែងចែកចេញជាពីរទៀតគឺទីមួយគឺ user account locally ហើយនិងទីពីរគឺ user account domain name. Okay. What is user account locally? User account locally is a user account that we have already built on the window. For example, user account, administrator, or user guest. Okay. For example, go to the tool and I click on user activity, user and computer. Okay. Okay. So that this one is user. Okay. After it will be on the server, right? But now I go to the tool. I go to computer. Okay. Computer management. Okay. Okay. Wait for a few minutes. Okay. Then you jump it there. And also click share. And also you will see it is the user, right? User. Yes, but we already promote to the server already, so we don't have on it. Okay. So we have on it on the activity user and computer. This is the administrator user. Yes, we already built on the computer, and it's also is the user just for server also អញ្ចឹងនេះគឺជា account នៃ server របស់យើងហើយ user account នោះគឺវាបានបង្កើតឡើងនៅពេលយើងតម្លើង computer ទៅគឺវាមាន automatic តែម្ដងនៅពេលយើងតម្លើង domain name អញ្ចឹងទៅ Okay. User account locally is a user account that you have already installed Windows. For example, like I mentioned a moment, and we use the computer administrator. We can create another user account on the locally computer. អញ្ចឹងយើងនៅពេលដែលយើងមាន computer យើងអាចបង្កើតនៅ user account ជាច្រើននៅក្នុងហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹងឧទាហរណ៍ថាខ្ញុំមាននៅ computer បែបនេះអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំចង់ចូលទៅកាន់ account អូខេខ្ញុំអាចស្នាក់នៅមកអូខេខ្ញុំអាច search ខ្ញុំវាយពាក្យចូល Okay. Wait. Something slow. So now I move to the Windows 7. Yes, it is easy to understand. I refresh on it. Okay, from my done. I can time my computer. Okay. Oh, you can time and also click on it, and you can click manage. Yes. And also click user account. Okay. And also click user. This is the user that we already built after you install the Windows. Okay, just Windows nó cũng hay là bây giờ lại móc cái Windows snap on there. Okay, so that we can create another account. For example, I want to create. I right click on it and user account. For example, that's okay. You can change. Yes. Okay, now I type password. Okay. Close. So I have one user for test. Okay. Okay. So after you have user account, you can take yes and also this account to log into another computer. And user account cannot be used this. Sorry, this user account cannot be used. This user account to log into another PC ចុះមានន័យថាសម្រាប់ user account ដែលជានៅក្នុង locally នេះអាចយកទៅ log in ទៅកាន់កុំព្យូទ័រផ្សេងបានទេif the login user account is a member of group user account, it means that user account is do not yes it can be change permission user right set remove program ចឹងបើសិនជានៅក្នុងករណីដែលយើងជា member របស់សមាជិកនៃ group ណាមួយនោះអញ្ចឹងបើសិនជាយើងគ្រាន់តែជា member យើងអត់មានសិទ្ធិក្នុងការកំណត់ទៅលើការ permission ផ្សេងៗដូចជាការបើកកំណត់ការបដូរការremove program ផ្សេងទេអញ្ចឹងវាសំខាន់ទៅលើការ provide ការផ្ដល់ឲ្យនៅ user group admin. And also we can log in user account is the member of group administrator. It means that user account it can be change permission and also and change or remove program. ចឹងយើងអាច log in vớiតាមរយៈករណីយើង log ជា user account ដែរប៉ុន្តែជាសមាជិកនៃ group administrator នោះគឺមានន័យថាយើងអាចប្រើប្រាស់ user account របស់យើងអាចធ្វើការបដូរឬក៏កែតម្រូវអីផ្សេងៗឬក៏ log អីផ្សេងៗបានទៅនៅក្នុងកម្មវិធីហ្នឹង And also if your computer is the work group you cannot take a user account locally to another PC and also to log in on another computer. For example, okay, you have user test, so you have layout, you set up, you create just on your PC1, so you want to use user test on PC2. If you stay in work group, so you cannot use it also because when you log in, we don't recognize. Okay. Okay. Now move to the another yes and user account. Also, I already told you how to create already. Yes. So that you can create user account, yes, user account by computer management, or you can go to control panel. Yep. You can select user account. Yes. Also you can create okay or change password. So you can create a new user account. Okay, for example, I click test 2 number 2 you can set that or send that account use the user use most software and change system setting not affect the user and security and the computer ចឹងបើសិនជាយើងយកជ្រើសរើស user នេះវាអត់មាន effective ដូចជា administrator ទេចឹងវាគ្រាន់តែជា user standard ធម្មតានោះទេតែបើសិនជាយើងយកមួយនេះ administrator have completely access to change computer you can make any design change based on notification setting administrator maybe ask you to provide password confirm before make change that affect to user ចឹងកន្លែងនេះគឺវាមានសិទ្ធិធំជាងវាមានសិទ្ធិធំជាងកន្លែងនេះហើយយើងអាចធ្វើការផ្លាស់ប្ដូរវាបានវាមានសិទ្ធិស្មើនឹង user administrator okay so I click test I just for test only okay but you can test yes you can use on it to depend your real situation okay but right now I use only on it okay okay and I will show you about the user account on the domain name. This is the user account on locally. Okay, so you cannot take the user yes to access on another PC. So if you use user account on the domain name, you can sign in another PC. Okay, what is the user account? Okay, on the domain name. User account is one user that you can create on Windows Server. And Windows Server, yes, has been promoted to domain controller or activate user and computer. If user account is the member of the main user, it means that user account we have permission, yes, to access user account locally. It's still the same, yes, it's the same, and also it is the member of the user. But it cannot change permission user right set or remove program okay but you can use it so it depend on the administrator provide your permission អញ្ចឹងនៅក្នុង user account មួយប្រភេទដែលជាប្រភេទ domain name controller ដែលមាននៅក្នុង Windows 7 Windows Server អញ្ចឹងគឺគេឲ្យឈ្មោះថា user account domain ហ្នឹងគឺមានន័យថានៅពេលដែលយើងធ្វើវាបង្កើតបាននោះមាន user ទាំងអស់នោះគឺអាចធ្វើការយក user មួយនោះធ្វើការ login ទៅកាន់ computer ដទៃផ្សេងៗបានអញ្ចឹងណាហើយយើងធ្វើការ remove អីហ្នឹងលេងតែ user ដែលជា administrator ហ្នឹងអ្នករកអាចដាក់ឲ្យថាយើងមានសិទ្ធិចំណាយអញ្ចឹងណាភេងand also this computer, yeah, this user after you already create, yes. So we can log in to another PC. អញ្ចឹងនៅពេលដែលយើងបង្កើតជា user មួយហើយនោះយើងអាចចូល user មួយហ្នឹងទៅគេថា log in ទៅកាន់ computer ផ្សេងៗបានឲ្យតែនៅក្នុងប្រភេទជា domain name នៅក្នុង LAN តែមួយអូខេ and user account domain name log in to the PC that is a member domain name has been we will be get the application or visual drive profile resource of server that provide okay ចឹងនៅពេលដែលធ្វើការ log in ចូលទៅកាន់ម៉ាស៊ីនណាក៏ដោយឧទាហរណ៍ថាខ្ញុំយក user Mr. Monitor ឧទាហរណ៍ថាយក user SRV 12CK ឧទាហរណ៍ខ្ញុំយកមកខ្ញុំធ្វើការ log in ចូលមកកាន់ computer មិនថា computer 7 មិនថា computer Windows ណាមួយទេឲ្យតែខ្ញុំមាន user ហើយនិង password ពេលដែលខ្ញុំ log in មកនោះគឺវានឹងធ្វើការផ្ដល់ឲ្យនៅ application ក៏ដូចជា network drive មានថា drive ដែលខ្ញុំផ្ដល់ឲ្យហ្នឹងអូខេ so that you can access another like for example like the drive yes like the drive like the application that server provide okay this one have only one drive right but after we already just create about the network drive or map network drive you will be how many drive that server provide okay now my video has been to the end and I will show you in the next video how to create and working with user account អូខេអញ្ចឹងក្នុងវីដេអូនេះខ្ញុំបញ្ចប់ប៉ុណ្ណឹងសិនដើម្បីកុំឲ្យវែងពេកហើយខ្ញុំនឹងលើកបន្តអំពី introduction ទាក់ទងជាមួយនឹង user account ហ្នឹងហើយខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើការបង្ហាញទាក់ទងជាមួយនឹងការឧទាហរណ៍ទៅលើ user account ហ្នឹងនៅក្នុងវីដេអូបន្តទៀតណាដើម្បីឲ្យយើងមានភាពងាយស្រួលកុំឲ្យវីដេអូនេះវាវែងពេកអូខេអញ្ចឹងសម្រាប់វីដេអូនេះខ្ញុំមានតែប៉ុណ្ណឹង Thank you very much see you in the next video